chocolate cookie and orange juice. This is premium orange juice. Tastes like orange juice. Pretty good, yes. Double choc cookie ja durability tästä. Very durable, no damage. Okay, next we are trying the durability test double choc cookie. Oh, it's split in half. Oh shit. Ah. Fuck.